Hello, everybody. How are you today? Are you good? Excellent. Today I am here because we are going to work in a mini class. Vamos a trabajar una mini clase de My Daily Routines. Vamos con las actividades que hacemos durante el día. I am Teacher Girla and I'm very happy to be with you. Ready? Excellent. Así que vamos a necesitar el siguiente material. Son esa hojita que ustedes ya las tienen que tener en cartitas como esta y que ya se les había dado el material en las guías pasadas. ¿Ya lo tienen a mano? Very good job. Vamos a observar el siguiente vídeo para recordarnos de ellos. Now, let's repeat. Vamos a repetir. I wake up. I wake up. ¿Vieron el movimiento? I wake up. I wash my face. I wash my face. One more time, una vez más. I wash my face. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. Yes, I wash my hands. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. One more time. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. One more time. I take a shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. Okay. I go to school. Ahora sí, vamos a jugar. Pongan mucha atención. Estoy de este lado ahora y van a poner atención. Ustedes van a tener a mano sus tarjetitas. Yo voy a decir una y ustedes me la van a enseñar. ¿Está bien? Are you ready? Okay, excellent. Show me. Muéstrenme. I wake up. I wake up. Excellent. You got a point if you show me this one. I wake up. ¿Quiénes ganaron un punto? ¿Todos? Very good. Number 2. I take a shower. I take a shower. You got a point if you show me this one. I take a shower. Excellent. Number 3. Show me. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Ready? Here I comb my hair. Yes, I comb my hair. Now show me. I go to school. I go to school. Ready? I go to school. Excellent job. One more time. Show me. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Ready? I brush my teeth. Very good. Now, another one. I wash my face. I wash my face. Here I wash my face. Remember, I wash my face. Now it's time for I wash my hands. I wash my hands. Ready? Very good. I wash my hands. Esa no nos podemos olvidar ahora con el coronavirus. Okay? So, thank you very much. See you on the next micro class. Así que, bye bye. Gracias y nos vemos en la próxima micro class. No se olviden de watch the videos, observar los videos. Okay? Las veces que ustedes quieran. So, thank you very much.